2 washcloth, bib, feeding bottle, milk, towel, lambing, comfort.
So, good evening. I am Marichu, your caregiver for today, and I'm going to demonstrate feeding and burping. The materials are 2 washcloths, bib, towel or lampin, the feeding bottle, chair, and hamper. So, procedure number 1, proper hand washing, and then gather all the materials. Next is check the temperature of the milk, and rub it on your wrist. And to prevent the baby from starving. Next is get the
Cover the nipple and cover the nipple.
and then
White washcloth or
get the washcloth and wipe the milk on your wrist and put the washcloth on your shoulder. And then proceed to the baby. Put the bib and tie it on the side. Next step,
Get the baby set on the chair. Blow the cradle hole 45 angle on the remove the cover of the feeding bottle.
get the baby. And do the 45-degree angle, cradle hold, and then sit on the chair. And the next step is
Stimulate the rotting.
stimulate the cover of the bottle and then stimulate the rotating and stopping reflex. Sa side mo na siya, hindi ko ganyan. Side mo na. Para alam na ng baby na feeding time na. And then, ensure the nipple is filled with blood. And then,
After the baby finish
start feeding and let the baby finish 1 ounce of milk. And then,
let the baby birth.
and after that, let the baby burp. 3 ways of burping. Shoulder hold. Forward. Forward hold. And then, across the Basta 45 degrees. And then return the baby. And then finish the 1 ounce of milk. And make sure to not empty the feeding bottle. And then let the baby burp again. Okay lang kayo din niya. And then next, wipe the mouth using the washcloth. And then hamper the washcloth and return the baby to the crib. Remove the bib. And then hamper. Return all the materials. Secure the baby. Make sure the baby is comfortable and safe. And then return all the materials. Do the proper hand wash. Document